Oh.
Thank you.
Because the batteries are, I turned it on wrong.
See, sometimes though, he doesn't turn on at all.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Is that where the sensor is?
Yeah.
No?
Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
I think Mommy took a lot of the candy.
Oh, she gave it to me. I'm putting it back. Look how much candy we have left. Oh my god. Oh, Reese's, my favorite. Oh, your Minnie Mouse. Oh well.
That's all right.
The Kit Kat bar? Whoa. You did good. All chocolate too.
Your favorite.
Mm. Now what? Now what? You want to put them back in the bowl? Let's put them back in the bowl. Or the bucket. Okay? Do that. Yay! Yummy Kit Kat bars.
It's not cold out tonight.
No, it's beautiful. It's usually a little cooler, isn't it? Snickers. Yummy. Wow, she didn't get any like, it's all like chocolates.
Snickers.
She organizing them somehow. Maybe we can watch all the video tonight. Like
Yeah.
I'm upstairs. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm going to put them in your bucket, okay? Thank you. She puts them in the bucket, then she takes them out of the bucket, and she puts them back in. You like that Reese's? You probably really like Reese's peanut butter. Can I give her a piece, or
Yeah.
in a later?
Yep.
I want a piece. I want a piece of that. Thank you. You know, this is my favorite one. And that one is... And Bubbles? Do you want to give the Bubbles another try? Ah. Oh. The bubbles aren't very good.
Well, you can keep that. You can make your own.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that bubble went in there. Oh, don't put that in your mouth. Don't put that in your mouth. Here, let's put it back. That's good. No, here we go. She gets mad when I twist it. Okay?
Something spooky out tonight. I think it's you.